Morning, boys. Happy Monday, mate. Hi. That's quick to look for bias. Rip, are you new? If you're new here, we don't trade with bias, my brother. We look for zones and tries to react from these. Uh, so if you want to know the zones, I'll put it here. That's the first zone. And for now, let's just keep this as a second zone. There you go. Hey, Shiv. Morning. Yeah, I'm just going through the checklist, boys. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, that's the strategy videos. Let me just pin that. Yeah, that's pinned. All right. I hope you guys had a good weekend. Let's see what this week brings us. It was pretty mean last week. Good morning. Morning, bros. What is up? How was the weekend, people? Did you guys have fun? Let's look at some news. This 29 of June. Yeah, fast forward. If you're in Italy, bro, you're getting break today, man. I don't think they're working today. Let's see. Let's see what's happening there. Oh, let me look at Italian banks. I don't know what holiday it is. They don't mention that, but they're not working today. And other than that, JPI has retail sales. Nothing, bro. You don't have to worry about news today. Let's stick with what's gonna happen. Now we're seeing some good movement this morning. I like that. Let's let this candle close, and I'll make this a stop on zone two. Pretty close to this one, but we'll keep that. Hey, Sad. Good morning. You've broken the silence, bro. I've been good, man. Had a good weekend. Did take good rest. How are you, bro? How was your weekend? Good to see you, my brother. Hey, bro. How's it going, man? Michelle, how was your weekend, bro? Hi, is stop hunt about support and resistance? You can call this liquidity, but if you want to check out the strategy itself, it's on the comments. Just a 1 minute video, just go through it. You'll try to understand. It is kind of liquidity, but I trade it in a different way because liquidity traders, they only look at price reversals from liquidity, right? So for us, we look at both the possibilities. And yeah, good morning. Good morning, Abdullah. How's it going, man? That was great. Enjoyed time with family away from charts. Lovely, bro. That always helps, you know. You gotta reset, boys and girls. And that too, the Friday that I had, guys, wasn't fun, man. Had to take a good weekend off. I'm glad you did that side. Good, bro. All right. We will promote this zone. Stop it. Maybe in the next 15, 20 minutes, we should have a position open. Let's see. Once we get it, we'll run with it. I'm looking for 313s too. So let's see, boys and girls. Let's see what happens. How's the weather there? Is it hot there these days? It's impossible to sit in a non-AC room. Bro, brother said, from where I'm from Chennai, it's not as hot it was in the last month. So it's been I'm rolling a lot this morning, man. So it's become much better this month. I think this week. It rained cats and dogs a couple of days ago. Bro, it's beautiful rain. The land here has cooled down a bit. So it's getting better, man. Yeah, I think a month ago, bro, I couldn't sit somewhere else, man. Like you, bro, same. I couldn't sit in a non-AC room, but right now, bro, it's getting a lot better. Hey, Sherry, good morning, bro. How was the weekend, my brother? Hi, Ravi. Strategy time frame, bro. For this one, this is in the 5 minute, and for the other one, it's in the 1 minute, bro. Welcome, welcome, boys and girls. I'm happy to have you guys. I'm doing good, bro. How are you? How was the weekend, Ravi? Nice, man. Good morning, Eden. How's it going, bro? Coding and backtesting. That's one way to spend your weekend, man. Guys, I had fun, man. I did watch a movie. Let me share that with you guys. Wait, what movie was it? Yes. The, sh- yeah, I watched this movie, boys and girls. Yeah, it was a hoot, man. I enjoyed it. Let me let me put this. So it was surprising. I didn't know that Hugh Jackman was in it. Decent rating, 7.5 is more than good for a movie. This was nice. It was funny actually. So I'm just gonna put it in. Hold on. I'll put that in Discord voice. Did you guys watch this one? Good morning, Lizzie. How's it going? Nice spy movie, right? Yeah, man. It's not, guys, it wasn't as good as Knives Out, but well, I liked it, bro. It was fun. Did any of you watch it yet? Guys, I did want to watch Avatar this weekend. I haven't watched the Fire and Ash version. Yeah, still hasn't. So I was hoping I would, but I didn't get the time. And guys, we finally booked the car for my brother-in-law. It's the same car. I drove it. Good, bro. It's pretty good. The color intense, man. Cherry red. I think cherry red it was. Very intense color, man. We kind of like the winter sheep. She watched it, man. Yeah, bro. We are like the winter sheep, man. Bro, I'm glad you watched it too. Yeah, bro. We are the misfits, bro. Still trying to make it, man. But trust me, bro. We will make it, bro. They don't like us. They don't have to like us. It was lovely, though. The dog fight that they had, bro. That was ballsy. Bro, which funding firm is better for beginners, funding pips or the 5%ers? Bro, sorry to be honest, bro, I haven't tried out 5%ers, so I'm not sure. I cannot comment on that funding firm, but I would suggest funding pips, man, because I've tried it. I've been doing it. I know people who do it successfully. Haven't heard any very bad reviews from them. Very reasonable platform to be using as a beginner, man. Good rules. Go for a two-step if you're very new, bro. Go for a smaller account size since you're new, maybe 5K or 25K for that matter. Get that, try to pass that, get a two-step account, not a pro version, because you'll have more room to play with. In a pro version, I think you get 6% drawdown. So the max loss you can make in the account size, it's just 6%. I don't think that'll be enough, bro. So since you're new, try getting the two-step normal version, which will give you a 10% cushion. So you can actually work with it. Try not risking more than 0.5% of the account size. And if you just follow the rules, if you have a 1:3 risk to reward with a 40% win rate, you're gonna pass it, bro. Yeah, you might take a month or two, but do it, man. You'll pass it. I need 2.5K. Do they have it, bro? I'm not sure, man. I've seen 5K accounts, but I'm not sure about 2.5K, bro. All right, boys. Decent enough price action this morning. I like what I'm looking at. Usually it's just sideways, but this is nice. A good drop since session open and then push up, push down. Nice draw. People will be thinking these people are taken out already. But for us, we want these people again to be taken out. And then we react from that. Nice, bro. Hi, good morning, Rachit. Hi, welcome. Happy Monday. I was waiting for Monday, people, because I love comebacks. Let's do a comeback today. Yeah, someone put a like to that. I love that. You're welcome, bro. Is there anyone like me who hasn't watched Avatar Fire and Ash? Because I missed it in theaters and I was like, damn, I should have done it. But is there anyone else? Join the party. I will watch it this week, though. I think they put it in Hotstar, Disney Hotstar. It should happen this week. Bro, 3 and 3 means it's just a pattern, man. If you haven't seen the video linked on the chat box yet, I'd recommend so. It's just three candles up front, one candle supply, and three candles I'm looking for. As simple as that, man. Nothing complicated, bro. I just ordered my projector. I'll be watching it tonight, theater style. Sherry, bro, I'm jealous of you, man. You're watching it with your projector, bro. Bro, which one did you get, bro? Sherry? Because my brother has one. Pretty decent. I like it, but the clarity, it could be better, I think. I forgot which one it is, but bro, I'm happy for you, man. You got a projector to watch Avatar Fire and Ash. That's awesome, man. Guys, this is what I was waiting for. The first stop on today has been stabbed. Let's see what happens here. In the next 5 minutes, we'll be in a position, most probably. Okay. So hold on tight, boys and girls. Monday is gonna start quickly. It's not even 6 a.m. and we might have a trade. Let's get it. All right, I'm just gonna check if everything is in order. Yeah, that'll work. So we're looking for a reaction from this area. Most probably, I'm thinking it might be a long, but who cares? As long as the next candle is decisive, we're gonna get in. Okay. So 5 more minutes. Got LG Cinebeam. It's native 4K. That's nice, bro. Even I was looking at LG once and pretty sweet, man. LG Cinebeam. Bro, Sherry, is that the compact one or is it the normal size one? Because with LG, I saw they had a few compact ones. I'm not sure about the model, but pretty good stuff, man. I guess we have 4.5 minutes. Let's see what this candle wants us to do. We're waiting, people. Bro, not yet, bro. I'm waiting for the next this candle to close. So right now we still have 4 more minutes, man. So no entry yet, bro. Not yet. Not yet, man. Guys, you guys know this. We need the first candle to poke and then the next candle to tell us what it wants to do. If it's a strong closure towards the downside, we're looking for a sell. We might be looking for a sell as it stands. But if we get a beautiful green candle like this right here, I'll be looking for a buy. So we still have 3.5 minutes. So I'm just gonna lock in. I won't be able to see the comments for a bit. So guys, bear with me. I usually execute in spot, so we'll have to switch to spot. That's the zone. Let's see what price wants to do. Guys, if it is a sell, this is what I'm looking at. Okay. Stop loss will go above 100 pips above this candle. So 59.32, somewhere there. And if it closes strongly, wherever this closes, that'll be the pip size. 59.32, boys. Yeah, that. All right. But if it is a buy, which I doubt it'll be, the stop loss will go below this candle, man, because this broke this low, right? So let's wait and see, boys. Yes, guys, we still have 2 minutes, so don't jump the gun. So if it is a buy, it'll be something like this. Excuse me. 49.87, 48.87. Yeah, and something like that. So for 22 pips, if it is a buy. Right now, it's looking like a sell. So if it is a sell, 857 pips, right? So 857, 857. Risking $100 would give us 0.11 lots. But let's see, boys and girls, we'll have to wait for confirmation. We still have 1 more minute. Hold on. Guys, it all comes down to execution, man. So if you execute properly, you're going to get the results. So let's keep executing. 45 seconds, people. As of now, it's just looking like a sell, but we'll never know. We'll have to wait for this candle close. Always, guys, wait for confirmation. That's the key. Jumping the gun doesn't help. So, 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds. 1 seconds. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0. 0 That's 900. Still same. 10 more seconds, people. Wow, that's bleeding, man. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna sell, man. I'm gonna sell. Hold on. I'll give you the after the stop loss. I'll give you 58.28, 59.28. All right. I was hoping for a buy, but price gave us what it gave us, so no hoping here. We execute. That's the position. Waiting for 1:3 right there. Hold on. That's the stop loss, and that was the entry. All right. Take profit will sit at right there. All right, boys. That's the first trade for today. I'll come back to the questions. I entered, bro. I'm in now. It's a compact one, portable two. I was more keen on the native 4K, and this is a laser projector too. It's awesome, Sherry, bro. Bro, if you could take it with you, if it's portable, great option, man. I'd love to have, something like that too. All right, guys, that's the first trade for today. Let's see what happens. Hi, bro. Is that a comma? Yeah, man, this trade is active for me. Let's see, bro. Monday loves us. So we will wait and watch, people. I love it when price reverses as soon as we get in, bro. Yeah, that's the best thing can happen to your trade. What's your favorite game? Call of Duty or PUBG? Is that what you're asking, bro? No, mine is Call of Duty, man. I hope CODM means Call of Duty. I love Call of Duty, bro. But I played my PS. I used to have a PS4. I gave it to my friend, so I don't own it anymore. He has it, so we play Call of Duty and FIFA. Bro, that's the OG game, man. Love FIFA, man. Yeah, but I wasn't very good at Call of Duty, to be honest. I sucked at that game, bro. FIFA, we're talking because I know how football works and I used to play it professionally, so that was fun. But COD, I would have loved to become a soldier, but no, man. I didn't understand. Yeah, I'm glad that you agree, bro. Call of Duty is the best game. Well, I've played 5 or 6 versions of Call of Duty so far, bro. The graphics it's gone to now, bro. Wow, boys and girls, awesome way to start Monday. I freaking love trading. Yeah, let's go. For God's sakes, freaking this month has been amazing to us, man. God, regardless, that's the first one for today. Let's see. We still have 3 more tries. That was so mean, bro. Look at that strong closure downwards. Like I said, I was hoping for a long, but it gave us what it gave us. I was in, and that's number one. We'll get back to this. So this was breached. These are the next 2 zones I'll be looking at. Glorious way to start a week. Yeah, guys, the account has taken a nosedive, man. I'm almost down $400 on the account. So how many followed trade? I am not sure, bro. I leave it up to them, but I suggest for them to learn rather than just, follow the trade. But yeah, bro. Let's see. What a reversal. Where we can see a live open position. Bro, that you want to see, you have to go to my T-Trader, bro. People like to see the other one. So, wow, the red on this one, bro. My God, man. Fucking hell. So, that was today's trade. See, I'm not here to do bullshit, people. I'm just showing what I'm doing. You don't have to trade with me, but I'm not here to show fake shit like other people. This is my account. I'm here to show whatever happens in my goddamn account. Okay. Right now, it's looking like we're not having a great month so far. Yeah, people. Nothing fake here, man. It's tapped a daily FVG and reverse. Bro, yeah, bro. If it's a daily FVG, I don't mind, man. As long as I'm getting a setup, bro, I'm taking it. I don't shy away from losses, boys and girls. So let's see if we get another setup. It did look like it, didn't it? That's what I was thinking about. But listen, if my strategy says so, I'm gonna jump, bro. Even if it's from an Eiffel Tower, I'm gonna jump, man. That's what happened. Even I was hoping it gives me a long since this happened, right? So this low got swept before the session. I was hoping for this to be swept again and then a push up. It did happen, but it didn't give me a confirmation to enter a long. I got a confirmation to go on a sell. That's how we trade, bro. I don't mind. I don't hope. I just execute whatever I had in my strategy because once you do that, that's when things will get better for you. Going with intuition doesn't work, man. Trust me, boys and girls. Um, if your strategy dictates, you just do it, right? With your eyes closed. Lizzie, Arvind, have you tried withdrawing for funny pips? Lizzie, I'm still my second phase, to be honest. This will be my first account to pass and then withdrawn from there. Um, so yeah, as usual, I'm honest with you guys. I'll let you know, Lizzie. I started this to show the process. I started it almost after passing the first phase because at that point I knew I had something good. So after the first phase, I started the channel, right? Doing lives and whatnot. Shortly after, almost passed the account because of some bad calculations. I had to be doing everything from the start. Right now, the account is down $400. Even after all that bloodbath that you guys saw. So let's see, boys and girls. Let's see what happens. This got almost tapped. Today I'm gonna buy the zero challenge. Just wondering how withdrawal goes to. Lizzie, you have you have some confidence. I'll tell you that. I've never thought of buying a zero challenge. I think I've thought about it, but I've never got one. Lizzie, that's some very tight rules. If you have a strategy that works immaculately with a very high win rate and a solid risk to reward, I think you can go for zero challenge because they have some very strict rules. Trust me. I did look at it in a point of time, but I decided not to go with it. I want long-term success. So we're doing this for the long haul, right? All the best, though, Lizzie. All the very best. You got this. Guys, 6:30 is very near us. Let's see, man. In funding next, I have withdrawn via Binance using TRC20. Nice, right? Even for me, that will be the plan. When I do take a payout, it's gonna be through Binance, and then I'm gonna put it through, something else. But for now, we're just focusing on the account, passing this, getting a payout, and then multiplying this. Navigo's profit and loss are a part of trading. Yeah, bro, it is. Thank you for saying that, man. So, guys, second trade for today should be this. What a push, bro. What a push. I would have loved it if this candle didn't show up. But, guys, it is what it is. Let's go. So, if this gets tapped along with this, I'm gonna disregard this zone altogether because if both of the zones get tapped together, I'll only work with the most recent zone that got tapped. Okay, so let's see. We still have 14 seconds for this candle to close, and let's see what happens for the next one. Your favorite character on Call of Duty, bro? I don't recall characters, man. They're not very. I don't recall, bro. To be honest, man. Apologies, bro. No worries, bro. I lost 320 on this trade, but don't worry. I made 600 on MNQ catch, 1,204 ticks, still green. That's awesome, man. Ravi, that's awesome. Guys, I'll be looking for something here, but if this zone gets tapped, even with this candle, probably not. Right now, people, as it stands, I'll be looking for a shot. As it stands, it might be a shot. But let's see, we still have 4 minutes for this candle to close, and we're getting very close to the 6:30 open, which is the first 4 hour candle. Let's see, man. I think this will be the most action-packed uh, Monday to start with. Guys, learn from it, backtest it. You don't have to follow me. Please don't follow me because I'm taking a beating here. But I won't shy away from it because I've done this. I've seen the lows and highs of this. Okay. I'd rather have you study this, backtest it, do some tweaks, and then apply it to your own trading. But it's completely up to you. For me, if I get a setup, I'm taking it. Even if it's back to back, even if it's, you know, uh, good, bad, ugly, I'm gonna take it, okay? So I'm just gonna lock in here, people. That's the zone. Let's see if we get a solid candle towards the downside will give me a shot. Let's see, man. I still have almost 3 minutes. Let's see what happens. I do hope price goes in. God, I hate saying I do hope. Let's see, boys. So if it is a shot, 100 pips above here, we'll go the stop loss. 71.14. Somewhere there. And yeah, I like the look of this. We might take a shot here, people. Hold on. Still have almost 2 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, that's a very nice push. 700 pips. 0.1 lots with $100 SL. 0.14, right? Okay. All right. Let's see. Still have 1 more minute to execute. 0.14 will be the lot size. Guys, I do need a strong closure, remember? 35 more seconds. Let's see if this does close strong. Twenty seconds, people. 10 more seconds. Now, if it closes like this, I won't be going in. No, boys and girls, I'm not in, okay? I'm not in. I did not like that closure. Wait, hold on. It did close properly. Okay, man. Hold on, boys. I'm still looking at it. 69.74, 70.74. Guys, I did end up taking it. If this is the second SL, so be it. God damn it. I'm in, boys. I thought it didn't close properly, but it did. Turned out it did. It is a pretty short SL, so the TP should be very close, which is a good news. I did take this, boys. If that's the second SL, so be it. Oh, it didn't close below the fifth. Ah, my best friend says it didn't. Yeah, my best friend goes, it didn't close. Yeah, I might have jumped that one. Uh, Apologies. But I am in, though. I can't help it now. Yeah, in futures, it didn't. I'm sorry, brother. Yeah, rules are rules. My best friend goes, if it's a profit, just close it. Cut. My God, there's too much happening. I did. Sorry for the confusion, people. I'm just talking to my best friend. Guys, actually, I did take this initially. As you guys can see, I did close it because it didn't sit in my, it didn't sit in the confluence, boys. I'm sorry, man. I closed it because it did not sit in it. And when you realize that you did make a mistake, you'll have to repent. And I did. That was the first lesson for today, and I had to close this, people. Apologies. I know too many back and forth. I thought I did get a proper candle closure. Turns out it didn't. So I had to close it. I don't have any open positions. As you guys can see, there's nothing open right now. Hold on. No open positions. Sorry. I think that's the first time I've In a long time, I've made a mistake in terms of what I'm doing. I should have been long here, man, right now, because this closed. Do I have the time to do it? 60.58, 59.58. 1,000 pips. 0.1 lots. 60.37. So sorry, boys. I don't think I've ever made that mistake before. This is the actual trade. Hold on. Yesterday, I did see someone complain online with another trader that he faked people out and then took along. I feel like that trader today, bro. Damn. This is in, boys. This one is life. Um, yeah, this should have been the trade all along. I did get that entry. And apologies for all the confusion. Shit, I know I'm a mess today. Monday, people. This is long as in B now. That's good. I'm just gonna hold on. I need some water. Water start. I know I'm a mess. Apologies, man. Ahmad, thank you for understanding, bro. I didn't see that properly, man. It just got me in a spiral since I made a mistake and I got in, right? So that's when you realize, okay, I did make a mistake and I didn't want to go all in on that mistake. My best friend was like, bro, it's okay if you're in break even, just get out. And I was in positive and I was like, the hell with it. I know that it's a mistake. I don't want to keep with it. And hence got out, got the confirmation candle, the next candle, right? Then I was like, okay, fine. I still have time for it. I'm still, I can still get in, and hence this trade, boys and girls. So I will tell you why and what happened. All right, before. So this was the candle that poked, right? This is the stop and zone we were waiting for. So stop hunt. One more minute for the 6:30 candle. Let's see what happens on that one too. I'm already in this one. So that's the stop and zone. We saw the tap. So there were multiple things I was looking at. So we have this zone two right here. So the confusion was I don't want this zone to be tapped if I want to trade here. Okay, that's number one. Number two, when this zone got tapped and it gave me a red candle, I don't want it to be a weak closure. Okay, I was waiting for that confirmation. That was number two. And the third one, was I thought this was a good closure, and then I got in. Turned out in the futures, it wasn't. It might have been in spot, but in futures, it wasn't. 630 candle is here. If it wants to manipulate us out of it, so be it. God, I hate 630 candles, bro. Look at that candle, man. I always hate that candle. Sometimes it just gives us the TP very quickly, but sometimes it just hates us. I don't know, bro. It might take us out. I don't know, bro. It is what it is. So that's what I was looking at, and then we get this beautiful green candle. So I decided bugger it, go with the confidence, and then in, right? 6:30 goes. No matter what you say, no matter what you do this morning, you're getting your ass whooped. Let's see, boys. I'm still in it. Few tips. You don't track other market openings, for example, China and Singapore in a few minutes. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I think I did it. Said that was the explanation for going long there, man. Lizzie got the strategy from you, 3 to 3, using that. Love that. You good? You understand your hustle? We're trying. Big support here. One day you will have much more money and you'll take bigger positions with more confidence. Love it, bro. Thank you, man. I'm glad that you understand. Ahmad, means a lot, my brother. Price drop because of Chinese market opening, few seconds, and it will go up again. Hopefully, bro. Hopefully, it goes up without taking us out, man. Hasn't yet taken me out yet. God knows. What a way to start the fucking week. I still haven't. I still haven't gotten the message that I've been taken out. I'm still in it, but very close. I don't think it's gonna show mercy. Let's see. No, it didn't. I have no words, man. What a start to the week. God. Yeah. My God, we're bleeding. Two SLs for today, back to back. Hold on. Yeah, it's been one hell of a last week because the the week I wanted to take my vacation, price went first one is three, second one is three, third one is three. You missed three back-to-back take profits. And guys, the next week I come back, it did give me a beautiful one is to I mean three with a $400 profit, but wow. That's $800 in 4 days to bleed, man. What a month we've been having. Since we missed all these bonus to threes, I still have two more trades for today. Let's see, boys and girls. You gotta get through this, isn't it? I did get taken out, people. It did happen. But Ravi says it may go up now, bro. Yeah, man. It most probably might, bro. Yeah, I did take the FEG, boys. Now you're long. That's good, bro. Let's see, man. Now I'll switch to 1 minutes, bro. I've been looking for three on threes and three to threes because I'm out of trades for stop hunt. You get it, you get taken out twice, you're done for the day. That's how I do it because I don't want to blow my accounts in single days. No, bro, Ray, I'm not in a trade, man. I'm done for stop hunt. Stop hunt has been very successful today, as you guys saw. Faked us out twice. Now I'll be looking for three on threes and three two threes, man. So I have two trades for three on three or three to three. Let's see what happens there. What a start. Ahmed says, don't stop, you just got the direction. Yeah, bro. Ahmed, I do have very strict rules, man. I play by my rules. I never break them. That's how I've been surviving this long, to be honest. Let's see if we get a three on three or a three to three here, boys. But it did manipulate us out of our trade. Nice, bro, Ravi. I'm just laughing to my best friend. Track people's comments here. We're learning. I'm glad, Ahmed. I'm glad, bro. Maybe good to ask people to share what they think. You're not blamed. We're all adults. Love it, man. I'm glad you think like that, bro. Not a lot of people do, man. They'll see a couple of SLs and then they'll be like, nah, not working, right? The thing about trading is one trade with three on three um, will change the account itself. So I never lose heart, man. I keep doing it. Yeah, right, Nidhi. I thought the same, bro. He took us out and then went up. That's the thing about 630, bro. I hate 630s, man. Because most probably you'll be in the right direction, and then price goes, nah, this was it, right? That was the trade. Look at the exact, yeah, bro. Not very sweet, doesn't it? Right now, all I'm gonna do is wait for three on threes, man. My best friend goes, this is when the God God decides to kick us. Gross. Yeah, I'm seeing the funny side of it. I know it hurts. It does hurt me too. Give your trades bigger room to breathe. You'll make much more money even if you take smaller positions. Current ways, gambling. Yo, Ahmad, you think this is gambling, bro? Yeah, man. Oh no, lol. Markets up. This is your bias in gold because the ceasefire has been broken and your oil dollar might go higher, but market may reject everything and go higher, thinking Trump market does what it does. I don't blame the news. I don't blame anyone else. Bro, do you want to see gambling, man? I saw this video yesterday. Freaking hilarious, bro. You guys want to see what the fuck gambling is? Hold on, let me see if I can pull this up. Bro, if you want to see gambling, this is gambling. You see the take profit, the size of the take profit, bro? You see what it does? You wait for it, okay? And the caption for this was, hold on, I refuse to lose second time in a row. Okay, hold on. Look at that. He keeps on pulling out his stop losses, man. Look at that. He's like, nah, nah. Why I was looking at this and I was cracking up yesterday, man. Like, what the hell? Look at the size of the TP and look at what he did to his SL. Now he's drawing some shit and on top of this. It's not that I want to mock anyone, it's just that when I heard gambling, this is what I was thinking, okay? He eventually gets it, man. He eventually gets his price come back. But he says, got my second win in a row. And he does that. Bruh. Yeah, you guys saw that. Um, Gambling is also when you want positions immediately move in your favor. Yeah, bro. As long as it moves, yeah, man. Guess if I get another red one here, we will form a 3-1-3. Let's see. I'm going all out today, boys and girls. You see that fire off? That'll become the supply. Bro, I am with funding pips, man. So I use C Trader. I'm in the second step of our 25K funding account. So if this candle closes red, this will be the 313 trade. So 45. That'll be the entry. Stop loss will go 40 pips from here. 22. 482 pips. 482. Risking 0.2% of the account size. That 0.1 lot. As if price comes back to that orange line, I'll be on a sell, okay? That's the 313 trade. 8040. Hold on, I'm just putting the entry in. 64. So this will be the trade. If price decides to come back, that's entry, that's stop loss. I've put the limit order already. Let's see if price does come back. Okay. Again, guys, 3, 1, 3. Okay. Let's see. That'll be the first entry for 3 on 3. Have two every day. Let's see what happens. Trade is because you don't know the outcome of the trade, but the thing with trade is that instead of casino having the edge, you can have an edge. That's one way to see it, bro. I like that. Yes, let's see if price does come back. This is what we're looking at. So price made 1, 2, and 3 red candles, one green, 1, 2 red, and then we want this to happen. Let's see if it does. That's the second strategy. Remember, trading is gambling if you don't know what you're doing. I agree, bro. I agree. Guys, you don't have to take this because this is very low win rate. I do it because I know the upside to it. This is risky, man. If you think I'm gambling, just you can just watch. Let's see what happens at the end of next month because that's what I'm waiting for. Because I want to see. I haven't been tapped in yet, but let's see. Because I think this month 3 on 3 has been much kinder to us. Usually that's the one that's kicking us in our face. Um, but 3 on 3 for this month has been pretty decent. 18% win rate. You already got 3 wins with this strategy. Not bad. 1:5, 1:4, and a 1:1, which isn't that bad. Only down $161. But if this bugger gives us a monster like this one, boys and girls, not sure if you can see that. Like this one, guys, that's when the account will change, man. Hopefully it does. Good luck, everyone, just in case it helps. Appreciate it, Ray. What was the lot size on the 1:25 RR trade? Bro, that one, I don't remember the lot size, man. But remember, bro, it doesn't matter. Uh, the lot size, I only risk $50 for that, man. Guys, I'm in for that position, okay? Bro, Ray, the lot size will change depending upon the stop loss, the pips. So I only risk $50, man. So if you saw that, hold on. If you saw that trade, I risked 50 and we got $1,131 on that one, okay? Every trade that you see with 3 on 3 right here was taken by risking 50. $50. That's all. Um, if you want to know the lot size, it depends, man. I'm not sure what happened on how many pips was on that day. So It depends on the pips, bro. But but the risk stays the same, man. Even with this trade, let me show you. Even with this trade, bro, it says the same. Look, that's $50, right? You guys can see the entry. It got popped in on the tick. We're in. And all that matters now is what's going to happen after this. Okay, this is going to run. If it runs, it's going to run until Tokyo ends, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, $50. This won't change. All right. I hope that's clear. Every time you go in, bro, you don't change the risk, but lot size varies because depending upon the stop loss size. And for you, you'll have to always worry about how much you're risking per trade rather than just the lot size. I entered with you. Let's see. Right, I told you guys this has a very low win rate. It always up to you. That's good, bro. But let's see, man. Let's see, bro. For me, for this strategy, I have very low hopes since having a 10-15% win rate, af, you're losing 9 out of 10 trades, right? So I just set it and forget it most of the times. But with the other strategy, I did have a lot of hope. But this month has been brutal. It happens, right? But I showed you guys I am in it. I'm in it for the long haul. I'm going to do it either way. Let's see, man. My priority shot below that 40.53 wick or long at 40.73. Yeah, bro. My plan is this. My plan is this, man. Just sit here and watch. Uh, if I get taken out here, I might get one more chance, and that's it for the day. But for now, we are hovering over entry. In my setup, there is resistance too. Let's see. Yeah, Ravi. Let's see if this works, man. Yeah, it is a sell, bro. Very tight stop loss. That's number three. Fuck me sideways. Yeah, what a month. I'm out on that one. God sakes. That tap. Guys, I think this is the first time I've got three SLs before 7 a.m., bro. That's a dagger, man. Right there. All right. One last. Let's see if it gives us. This one is done, people. The stop loss is 2 points above. Sure, bro. Mine was, I thought, was on point. Watch higher time frame also. Trading MGC. Nice, man. Bro, Nitin, bro. Um, with this strategies, man, I tend to keep it cut and dry. 1 minute for this one, 5 minutes for the other one, because it has worked in the past, right? So I just don't want to complicate it and put too much into the strategy and stress it too much. So how often does the positive turnover happen? If it's not frequent, you might need to look at trend. Bro, how often? Good question. Once in a month, I'd say. Bro, last month it happened almost twice. So over 1 is to 10, right? The month before, not even once, bro. We just had a 1 is to 5 RR. The month before that, 1 is to 3, 1 is to 23. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. So 1 is to 23. Okay. Then the month before, again, same almost before the end of the month, a 1 is to 40. So this is what it all comes down to, bro. Regardless of taking the losses, the win rate is very low, just 18% for the March month. A 1 is to 23 will put you in a different stratosphere, right? Like that. And guys, I did have a month without anything. I took 18 losses and just a 1 is to 5. That was a month. And the next month itself gave this. Okay. That's a 1 is to 25, 1 is to 12, and 1 is to 7, all in a trot with all this. Okay. But after taking 14 losses, I had to catch this. So losses with this strategy happens. Okay. And we do have months when we end up with 9.5%, almost $2,500 in a month, just risking $70 in average, right? And also, there is this month, right? There is this month. We only caught a 1 is to 4, a 1 is to 5, and a 1 is to 1 with this strategy. We're yet to catch a whale with this month. But at the end of the month, we're only down $211. Missing these three trades, which is $900 in profits, has gotten pretty worse for the month since I missed these three trades, which I wasn't here to trade last week. If we would have taken these three trades, this would not have been this, right? So we would have got 900 plus here, which would have had our account in just $350 in minus. Guys, to have the right data, you should have the whole month. This turned out. I wished I missed this week of trading, man. I wish I missed this one because Vacation came in the wrong week for me. This three, 1:3 trades made my account bleed. But that's I think the account summary for the last 3 months. To answer your question, bro, um, it happens once in a month, a 1:25 or even a 1:40. Even if I catch 20 negative trades for that month, I'm still a 1:20 up by risking just $50. I'm up $1,000 even after catching 20 stop losses, right? That's how I see that strategy. That's how I like to think about it. Because last month we got what 14 SLs and still ended the month with $1,400, risking 50, right? So that's what 1:15 risk to reward, right? So that's the data. I'm not here to lie. I'm not here to show shit. I'm just trading. You guys get to see whatever there is. So it's up to you. You judge me with what I show you. I'm not here to show you anything that is far away from the truth. This is all there is. Okay. Bro, it looks like stop hunt and going down now, waiting for 4053. Yeah, man. Your risk management is the key, bro. Absolutely, man. Hold on. Hold on. Ray, don't think too much on the losses. You will make stupid decisions and over risk it. What makes you think he thinks too much, Ryan? Bro, listen, man. Even after taking three SLs, it doesn't bother me because I know, bro. I know the results, right? Guys, it helped us to pass an account. I almost passed the next account. So I know it's going to happen. Guys, I've been there. I've been $900 down for the first phase. And one trade, I got a $2,000 with the 313, exact 313 stop loss that you guys saw. With that strategy, I took a $2,000 profit for a single day, for a single session. That was the 1:23. So that put me in a different space, right? So, guys, I've been here. I'm going to be here. I'll keep doing it. And whatever comes, comes, right? Because as Ravi said, risk management is the key, guys. No matter how many losses you take, the amount of losses I've taken this month, people, is this many. 22 losses, people. 22 losses. Okay. Yeah, I did miss a few good trades in vacation, but that's fine, man. It's all a part of trading. You have to take vacations. You can't take all trades, right? In the last 6 months, the only 4 days off was this 4 days, working days, right? But it is what it is. At the end of the day, having 22 take trades and only four take profits live has only got my account to $1,200. Okay, I still have a long way to go back, and I've taken 13 losses. Can you guys see this? 13 losses and only one thrice, man. I'm only down $200. So, guys, the only thing you have to think about is the risk that you're doing and managing it properly and take profits completely. Okay, that's the result for this month. It doesn't speak for all the months, right? 9.5% last month was a good month. That's good. But even then, we only had a 36% win rate with the 313. Sorry, this is the stop hunt strategy. Sorry. For stop hunt, 16 losses, only nine take profits. That put us, even with that, we were $900 up. Can you guys see this? $900. And with this 14 losses on only four wins, we were at that. Okay. Guys, you're gonna have this. 15 losses and only four wins. All right. 18 losses and only one win. It's going to happen, man. 13 losses and only three wins. Out of those three, if you get a 1:23, you're golden for the month, bro. You see this? If I caught this 1:40 in a live account, risking $1,000, that's $40,000, boys and girls. That's how I think about trading. This month doesn't bother me because take if I caught this, which is the right data, this would not have been the case. We would have only been $300 in minus for this strategy. And as an account, only $500 for the worst month. Guys, this has been the worst month for this year. If you're only down $500 in your worst month for the year, bro, trust me, you're doing great. You're doing great in your trading. So if you want to take out one thing from this session, after taking three losses, take away this. It's okay to take losses. It's okay, man. As long as you're not over risking, you're not over trading, you're having your rules to follow. Yes, I almost passed two phases. You're gonna see me do it. Even if I blow this pro, I'm gonna keep doing this, man. Um, it matters on how much you risk, not on the stop losses you keep taking, right? You gotta trust your strategies, give your strategies time to breathe, because that's what I'm trying to do now. Just because your strategy gave you a bunch of stop losses doesn't mean that it doesn't work. Um, you'll only get results when you do things consistently over a period of time. Not that don't take a shit strategy and keep trying to do it, right? Make sure you back test it. If it does work, keep doing it, right? I still have one more trade for today, and after that, I'll say sayonara. But for now, I'm still waiting for the next trade. All right. So next 313 or 3 to 3, I will catch it. Guys, I don't do it for the sake of doing it, just because I'm live. This is what I do day in and day out. Now you just get to see it. Okay. Before you didn't get to see it. Now you just get to see it. So that's how this works. Yeah, man. It is stuck in range, bro. How to decide which price to open position at and which direction? It depends on the strategy, right, bro? So with the 313, I got a specific trade. I got my supply right here. This green candle was the supply. And the strategy is very simple, right? You want price to go off, come back, and do this. That's what is the ideal scenario. But it didn't happen this time. Doesn't mean that it won't happen ever. We just wait until it does. Hey, man, President. Hi, bro. He says tea time. No, Nidhi, bro. Yeah, man. Tea time is at 7:30, bro. And sometimes my peeps are late, man. So I'll have to wait even longer. But remember, right? My wifey will call me, man. So I'm still waiting for that, bro. President, how's it going, bro? How's the weekend, man? Guys, I'm just glad that it's almost end of the month, because I just want to close this month as is and then start a new chapter next month, because not the best. Take a present tea and wait for some time. Please take a present tea. Uh, how's it going? Did miss any? Yeah, bro. Glad that you just joined, man. I got a whooping. I got three trades, man. Got hit three times, bro. That's the God's honest truth. Yeah, man. I'm waiting for the last one. I think this is the last trade for today. I think they will grind upside whole night slowly. Hey, Blessy. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Yeah, boys and girls. Last trade for today. Let's see. President says that's okay, man. Yeah, bro. Sorry, guys. I'm still sleepy from last night. No, guys, just one more trade and I'll bugger off. Uh, one last trade. It should be the fourth entry. Let's see if we get it. Bro, Nidhi, I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure if there's any news, bro. Um, Wall Street is abandoning all bets on strong euro. Sure. But this was 5 hours ago. US and Iran agreed to halt strikes and meet this week. But this was 5 hours ago, right? So this is old news. 41 minutes ago, nothing much, man. Now it's just a waiting game, people. Getting a 3-1-3, 3-2-3 is not that often, but if it does give us a sweet setup in the morning, we'll take it. I'm just surprised that 20 of you like the stream, man. After getting three losses, bro, people will run, bro. Thank you, guys. Means a lot. You guys liking the stream. Nice, bro. Guys, I forgot that. Today's the day that we need a lot of motivation. Let's get some. All right. What was the last quote we saw? Yeah. May our sons have rich fathers and beautiful mothers. That was a good one. Let's see what we get today. So, guys, if you're new here, I send a quote every day to Discord. So let's see what today's quote is. Hold on, just gonna pick it and send it. Is that Fedra? Where is Fedra? There you go. Ooh, I like this. Hold on, boys. I'm just getting it ready. I don't have to. Where is it? Right there. So that's for today, right? The number of people that doubt us, curse us, they say we won't make it. As success, it's the best revenge, right? We will get it, man. We will get it someday. Just keep at it, boys. So that's the quote for today. Monday will always have choppiness, and on top of that, we have NFP week always. Oh, you have NFP this week, bro? When is it, bro? I see manufacturing PMI, uh, non-farm payroll, non-farm employment change, which is on the second, right? 2 days from now. Gotcha. Yeah, waiting is the hard part. Guys, I did watch another movie this weekend. I'm not sure if you guys have tried this. Uh, Cheat Kings. This is Keanu Reeves. It's in Netflix. 6.8 I saw, and I was like, okay, I like cop movies, so this is a cop movie. Keanu Reeves in action, bro. And also, I was very surprised Chris Evans was there on the movie. He was also on the cast. Teddy Cruz, decent enough movie, man. If you guys wanna try this out, sure. Good ending to it. Nice movie, man. Yeah, my tea is getting prepped. Finally, it's about time we take a break. I'll put down Discord if you guys want to try that. There you go. Sure, I'll do that. Hey, do I do yoga, bro? No, man. I used to work out like a maniac, but I've taken a break from it too. They closed out my last gym, and I moved to a different location. Um, so my dad got retired, so we moved to our own house. There's a different gym here, but it broke this up, and then YouTube kept me busy. So I should be working out, man. I love working out. It's been what 6, 7 months since I went to the gym, but I used to work out every day in the morning, just some calisthenic work. But also, I've taken a month off from that too. Yeah, man, I should be working out, bro. Damn. Have you tried? Have you tried Linga Bhairavi Sadhana from the Isha one? Bro, not a yoga person, man. I don't know what that is. I hope that's a pose. My best friend does yoga. At least he studied yoga. I know for a fact that he's watching it and he's laughing right now. Do you do yoga, bro? Ray? No, bro. I haven't, to be honest. I've passed through Coimbatore a few times, but I didn't get a chance to go in, bro. I've seen it in pics and whatnot, but haven't been to the ashram yet. My best friend has been telling me to go there. He's been there like 4 or 5 times. He's a big fan of yoga and Sadhguru and whatnot. But would you recommend it, bro? Would you recommend me going there? All right, guys, this might be the last one. You have one, two, three. I have the supply here. I need two more green candles for this to become the official zone. Let's see. If this is the last one, I'll set and forget. We will have to forget and then come back. Bro, you from India and you don't know about Linga Bhairavi. Ray, yeah, bro. I'm totally from India, man. And to be honest, I don't know what Linga Bhairavi is, bro. Shiv says, I think meditation is very much required for us than yoga. I totally agree, bro. Meditation, I think for us as traders, we need a strong mind, man, to take all these SLs and still breathe and keep doing it again. 100% agree, bro. I also did meditate for a good 4 years. Again, I've stopped a lot of good things. I think I have to get all my habits back. I used to meditate, I used to read a ton of books, and that's tea. Yellow. 2 minutes. Yeah, I've been called on for tea. Bro, really good. Don't worry about going to ashram. Just do Linga Bhairava Sadhana. It's too good. Bro, I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued now, man. I'm gonna search it, bro. Linga, what is it? Bro, I hope it's not something in double meaning, man. Is it? Because I don't wanna show that, bro. Bro, why can't I find it, man? Bro, if you're on Discord, just put it in Discord, but I can't find it, bro. You should also do movie reviews for the movies you watch. It is a good idea, bro, to be honest. Shiv wants me to go into images. Is this it? I'm not sure, man. Is this it? That looks like I could do that. All right, guys. I'm just gonna have some tea and come back, okay? Sleeping posture. Shiv says he does it every night. Bro, are you just kidding or do you actually do that pose every night? Sleeping, yeah, we do every night, man. I think you don't have to know about Sadhguru. Holy smokes, where you been all this while? Bro, I do know about Sadhguru, man. Not that I don't practice his poses, but I didn't know him, man. Bro, I used to listen to him a long time ago, bro. He does have good concepts, bro, to be honest. Guys, I'm not sure what's gonna happen here. If I do get, excuse me, if I do get a position, I will take it. It'll be in my last one, but right now it doesn't look like it. If there were two candles from here, yeah, we might have got it that 3 on 3, 3 to 3. But for now, we're just waiting, man. I'm just gonna have some tea and I'll be back, boys and girls. So, boys, I'm back. Good morning. Yes, we're still waiting for one last trade. This is the consolidation of the month. Look at that. Especially this phase. It's been consolidating quite a bit. You don't mind. We will wait for a setup. If it's there, we'll take it. And then we'll say bye-bye for the day. But for now, we're just waiting. Let's see, boys and girls. This looks like we might get it. 3-1. There's two greens and then three comes back. I don't know, man. Let's see. Ray went long. That's good, man. Good for you, brother. I don't trade without my setups, man. No matter how long the candles are. Yeah, I think something will give because it's been a tight consolidation now. If it breaks out, it's gonna it's gonna push in that direction. Let's see. One hell of a consolidation, right? Ray is kicking himself. Come on, that's 3-2. We need 1-2-3. Let's see. If the next candle does get green, this is gonna be a huge setup, man. In a sense, it's a huge stop loss, right? So if the next candle is green, this will become the supply. And that's a huge supply to have. Guys, again, if the next candle is green, right now I'm just playing with it, so don't worry. 81, 21. Right there will be the entry. If this is green, that'll be the entry. Stop loss will go 40 pips below here, 86. We're waiting, guys. If this is a huge green candle right here, we'll take this. That's 433. We might not get it, but always have to be ready. 433, risking $50, 0.11 lots. Doesn't look like it. It's a huge red. Nope. Always, guys, since it's in the 1 minute time frame, I have to be ready regardless because I don't want to be missing trades. That's when you lose confidence in your strategy. When you miss trades, you want the data, man. Arvind, you never showed Ravi's indicator for NQ. No, bro, he doesn't want me to show it. And I personally think let's just focus on these things. Ravi, if you do have a channel or a Discord, just let these people know, man. See you tomorrow, staying away from chop session. Yeah, bro. It might be a good idea, man. See you tomorrow, bro. I'm here, man. I'll do it. I don't care if it's choppy. I don't care if it's running riots. If my setup shows up, I'm gonna take it. See you guys. One more setup and we're done. I've always liked end of months because that's when 3 on 3 actually gave huge setups. I hope we get that, man. I hope you get that this month because last month was actually absolutely beautiful. 23, 17, and I think an 8. Bro, that was glorious to watch. I hope we get something similar. We still have today and tomorrow. We already got one setup with 3 on 3. We have one more chance today and two tomorrow. Let's see, man, if we can catch a glorious 3 on 3 trade for this month. Yeah, I think we might get a breakout soon. Let's see. 2 more greens would be nice here. Come on. He's just chopping around, bro. I wanted 2 more greens here. Damn. I got out. Something didn't feel right about the market. Classic Ray. It's nice, bro. Bro, I only get in when the market gives me a position. I only get out when it satisfies my rules, man. Nothing mid trade, no shortcuts, man. Yeah, but if I do make a mistake, I just get out and then try to do it again properly. Come on. This will be 3. I like this push. Let's see if we can get a setup somewhere here. Yeah, Ravi, slowly going up. We don't know, man. Right now, this looks like a decent push down. I like this move. Come on, boys. Let's see if we can finish this day with a win, man. I'd love a win today, bro. Nice. After all this, so lovely to see this push down. Come on. That's 3. If this is the green, that's 1. We'll wait. Yeah, market is super choppy, brother. Totally agree, Shiv. Let's see, bro, if we get a setup here, man. So all we need here is this candle to be green, and then 3 more reds. That'll give us a sell opportunity. Let's see. Nice, man. Nope, not a green candle yet, but yeah. Yeah, that should be a green. We need three more boys and girls. Let's do this. Purushothaman, hi bro. Hi bro. Do you backtest? No more. I'm done backtesting, man. I only do live trading now. Yeah, I did backtest this strategy for a couple of years, bro. But I'm done with all that, man. You will have to stop backtesting at a point and just keep executing every session, regardless of what you get. As long as your strategy works in the backtest, bro, after a while, if you have enough data collected, I've seen people do backtest every day to keep it in touch, but bro, I execute it every single day. And why should I backtest, right? That's my mindset. I'm like, I'm done backtesting. I'm in live markets now. I do have the data to back it up. All I need is right now is to execute. So it's been a while, Purushothaman, to answer your question, bro. It's been a while since I backtested, man. Once I got the strategies figured out, bro, I'm done with backtesting, man. Ravi goes, how was the tea? Tea was good, man. It's pretty sunny out. Yeah, we had a good chat. Thanks, bro. Yo, I hope you get a setup before I let you guys go, man. We have 30 minutes, give or take. We get a setup, it'll be perfect. I like the look of this. We just need two more red candles. We'll get a sell. We'll close this day off. Let's see what's what. So just a heads up. There goes the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then 1. Okay. Two more reds will give us the setup. If it shows up, this will become the supply. All right. Just to calculate the pips. 50 pips below this. 28. There. 28 up there. 64. That'll be it, but I want a red closure here, man. Oh, wow. It did not close red, bro. That's a green cat. Price is just teasing us. Nope. Guys, this is how I keep drawing out 3, 2, 3s and 3, 1, 3s because you have to be ready for every minute. If you miss it, if you blink, you're done. You might see that trade sitting at 1:20. You don't want that happening. I wish this was red, my boys. If that was the case, so see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 103, and then you want price to come back like this. So 1, 2, 3, then first green, second green, then 1, 2, 3 reds. Price comes back, taps your supply, and does something like this, right? But wasn't meant to be. Yeah, bro, exactly, Ravi. Josh says mine closed red, bro. Yeah, bro. Josh, if you're looking at different charts, right? So right now I'm looking at Oanda, but if you're looking at different charts, it's gonna close different, man. Um, Josh, the reason why I do this here in this Oanda chart is because I've backtested all the strategy. Going back to the earlier question, I've backtested the strategy in Oanda chart itself. So I don't want to deviate from this and take any other chart and then start execute there. Um, so always stick with the chart that you guys backtest with. You can backtest in FXCM, you can backtest in Forex.com charts, Oanda charts, you name it. But once you have that down, bro, just Just keep it, man. Bro, even in futures, the comics chart, bro, it'll be different. The execution will be different. Look, you got three greens here. You don't have three greens there, right? So things are different in the charts, especially when it comes to 1 minute. You just have to stick to the chart that helped you have the win rate that you had in your backtesting, right? It will go up again, maybe. Let's see, bro. Yeah, bro. Nice, man. Maybe the sweep down here. What ended up happening? This was done. Nice, bro, Ravi. Bro, they're grinding. Maybe, bro. Yeah, I think so too, man. They're just taking people's scalps. But we're waiting, people. One more trade, just one more. Yeah, bro, I hope it breaks some way, man. I don't even hope that. I just want my setup and then I'm done for the day. I'm taking my wife to the hospital. She's having some tooth pain. So I gotta finish this, man. I just need one more trade. You have the same? Do you have a masterclass where you can teach? I'm new to your page. Bro, welcome. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. Right now, I don't, bro. I am working on a course, bro, but I'm not sure when that's gonna be out. Um, right now, it's just me and my videos from YouTube. If I do get that thing out, I will let you know, my brother. But thank you for joining, though. If you want. The stop on strategy is pretty simple. You can go ahead and learn from the videos, but 3 on 3 is not straightforward. It has a couple of more conferences to it, which haven't enclosed yet. But bro, go ahead and watch the stop on videos. It's fairly straightforward. We're looking for people's stop loss to be taken out and then price to react from there. Pretty good month last month, but this one has been not the best of it. But it is a good strategy, man. You can check it out, bro. Try backtesting it. In different pairs. You can put your own conferences to it and whatnot. Try that, man. I mean, that's funny, man. Thank you so much, cause I'm in a bit of a grind, no work and rent and family to feed. Bro, I feel for you, man. I've been there. Trust me, bro, if you don't have money saved up, I'd highly recommend for you to sure, bro, I'll help you in any way I can, man. But I'd recommend get something like a side hustle or something. Get some money from there and then start investing it a little by little after learning and backtesting a strategy. Bro, doing this full time without money, I know it hurts, bro. I've done it. Trust me, man. So until you see a couple of payouts, bro, I'd highly recommend you to get a side gig at least. It's not easy doing it full time when you have a family to feed. Trust me. Especially when you don't have help. So I hope for your sake you'll find something, man. I know about this industry and everyone seems now to get money from me rather than teach. I feel you, bro. Yeah, man. But what I'd recommend is try looking at the charts, man. Something will come to you. The 3 on 3 strategy I got, it just came to me, man. I was just looking at it. It's just some random things that happens in the market. It just worked out. And I've been forward testing it ever since. Bro, it's gonna work out, bro. Don't lose hope, but I'd not recommend to just rely on trading income before you get it sorted out, right? Before you have a solid strategy, um, of a live account or maybe a $10,000 account that you can get, which can pay your rents and bills and whatnot. Yeah, I know, bro. A lot of people like taking your money and they don't teach properly. Yeah, man, you don't need a system, bro. Bro, Ray, I don't have any side hustles, man. This is it, bro. I live and die by this, man. Yeah, boys. This is it. Yeah, bro, you don't need a system, man. You need a system that works. You need a system that you've back tested for a while, that you've also live tested, which has already started giving you results. You need to get there, man. Efra. What account do you have in funding pips? No, bro, I have a 25K funding account in the second phase, man. If you don't mind me asking how long I've been doing trading. Sure, bro, I don't mind at all, man. I've been learning this for the last 9 years. Part-time, I did that for 3 to 4 years, and then now full-time for 2.6 to 2.7 years, man. So it's been a long time coming, bro. Need model in trading as well for being. consistent. Yeah, man, 100%. Thank you for pronouncing the correct name. You're welcome, bro. I'm glad I did, man. I mess up names a lot, guys. As you know, I do tend to mess up, but I try to be cautious, man. I trade Bitcoin mostly. It's easy for me to trade crypto. Bro, even I started with crypto, to be honest. Bitcoin was the major source of income, but got stabbed in the back, man. Too many manipulations, bro. That's when I switched to gold, bro. मैं इधर चला मैं उधर चला. How do you get your income from if you have losing months? Bro, that's what, bro. If you have losing months, your winning months is gonna take care of it, right? Um, guys, trading is also a business. Not every business wins every month. So you'll have to approach trading like this, okay? If you have 12 months in a year, 5 months you're gonna have great, bro. Great 5 months. And you have break-even months and a little positive months for 3 or 4. And then you're gonna bleed for the rest, bro. For another 4 or 5 months, you're gonna bleed. Those months you'll have to take care from the first 5 good months you had, okay? That's how trading works. This is what people misunderstand when it comes to trading. Guys, it's not all rainbow and sunshines, man. It's like Rocky says it, bro. It's not all rainbows and sunshine. You're gonna get hit, man. You just have to learn to move forward, bro. Your good months is gonna take care of the bad ones. And you just have to keep doing it for the long run because a lot of people will quit after a couple of bad months. Once you understand how trading works and how you can make a living out of it, I think that's when it makes sense. Until you realize that, bro, I don't think this will work out, right? You'll have to keep doing it. You'll have to understand the mechanics behind it, regardless of having bad days and bad trades. Just understand that, okay, it's going to come. Until then, your priority is not to blow your account, okay? You are going to have bad months, but until you get to those good months, you should have a live account sitting there, which is not blown yet or not liquidated yet, okay? That's your main priority to get to those good months. So that's what I would recommend you people. It's okay to have bad months, man. It's 100% okay. And this month is one of the bad months I've had in a while. This month has just been a bloodbath with 15% win rate with this strategy, 18 with this one. Guys, I know it sucks, right? But that's fine, man. This is how you get to these months where you get almost $2,500 risking 70. All right. The last month we ended up with 9.5. This is what I keep telling you guys. It's okay to have these months. But when you get months with 10% to 20% of returns, well, that's enough. In a 100K portfolio, if you have 500K accounts, so let's say you have 500K in funding life, 1 month making 20% is $100,000, bro. That's it. That's all you need, man. Wait, hold on. In 500K, right? My math might be wrong. Sorry. 10K is what? I mean, sorry, 10% is 500K account. It is, right? It is right. Sorry. I doubted myself. You should have a way. You should have a way for people to support you financially. You can't say channel support enabled for your channel, bro. Trust me, I do have a support system. Without that, also it's hard. Uh, I can't name names, but I do have a good support system, man. Uh, but I tend to do it with trading itself. But it's nice to have a nest egg. It's awesome to have a support system. I have an amazing support system. Trust me, guys. Just keep doing it, man. Yo, it's gonna come. It's just me talking to myself right now. Because it's gonna come, man. It's gonna come. I'll talk to you guys once it does. I'll show you guys once it does. Bros, like give me 200 pip trade. I'd like to give you a 2000 to a 6000 pip trade, man. As soon as I get it, you'll see it on the screen, man. Right now, I'm just waiting for another setup, bro. Guys, I have another 15 minutes. I'll be here for any questions you can shoot. I do have a Discord. You can talk to me, in other times right there. It's in the description. So, but do appreciate it. You guys did stick around for this long. I know it's not easy, boys and girls. Bro, the goal of this is it was just me and my best friend trading, right? Right now, you guys get to see the process. You got to see the behind the screen, and that is all there is. I'm not here to, you know, give you false hope or, sell you wrong things and lies. It's just me executing my account and we're just doing our thing. But right now, you just get to see it. That's the only difference. But this is all it takes, boys. Uh, three red candles now, then see. Yeah, bro. Three reds are here. Let's see what. Yeah, man, you know his name. You really give 3 pips in one trade. I'm new. Yeah, man. Boys, these are all prior trades we've had. If you want to see the proof, if you're new, I'm more than happy to show it, man. This is Discord, bro. This trade was 1,428 pips. This one was 4,068 pips. You can also check this out. I have all the data here. You can go check this out. This was on the 15th of June. You can take a screenshot of this and then compare this, the timings and whatnot, right? And this is 3,225 pips, 1168. You have all this data right here. See, 3,225, 1168. Guys, this is just this is just not for sure, man. I do this for a living, boys and girls. And I'm not here to just bullshit you and sell you stuff. Nah, nah. I'm just here to show you what's what. Mostly in live, man. It depends, right? So I trade throughout the Tokyo session. Most of the trades come in the morning between 5:30. So I live in India, so my time zone is Indian Standard Time, IST. So from 5:30 Tokyo start to 8:45, I'm here. If I get trades after that, I do take it. But we have taken live trades. We have taken profits in live. You can go back and watch the lives, boys. It's all there. I don't, I've seen people delete their live sessions because they don't want to show what happened. I'm an open book, man. Everything is there on my YouTube channel. I think this is my 22nd live. You can watch every live if you like. It's all there, bro. The data is there. I don't have to lie. I'm showing you everything. Look at this. This is all there is to show. You can take screenshot of this and then check the data. It's all there, bro. Ravi's like he's telling the truth. Thank you, man. So you have a Telegram channel that gives signal. No, bro, I don't. I don't do signals. Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Um, Ephraim, right? Bro, I'd rather teach you how to do this. I don't like giving out signals. That's not who I am. I want you to learn. I want to show you how it's done. Rather than me giving you a fish, I'll teach you how to do it, right? So I don't have any Telegram channels to give signals, boys. Guys, there is a million ways a person can make money. I don't want to give signals and make money. This is my way of thinking because that doesn't help anyone. Because when I give signals, if you miss it by a few minutes or seconds, you're gonna have a bad entry. You're gonna mess up. It's not gonna work out, man. But if you learn what I do, uh, stop hunt for that matter. If you learn the strategy, if you apply it in your own trading, back test it, and then apply it, then you make strides in trading, right? That's what I want you to do, man. How do I get your whole trades? What do you mean, my brother? Still, they're doing mango shake. Yeah, Ravi, they're doing mango shakes here, man. Guys, I won't be taking this. I need my specific setups. Let's see if I get it. Do you make lectures of your strategy? No, bro. right now I do have a few videos on YouTube, maybe close to 10, 12 full-fledged videos. Other than that, if you look at the charts, I think you'll have a much better idea. No, bro, I don't have lectures for now. I don't have a course for now. I will have maybe sometime soon. I am working on it, to be honest. It's not out yet, man. I'll let you guys know if I get through it, if I get it out. We just have to wait, man. Then how can I learn your strategy, bro? Just click the links on the comments which I've pinned. The strategy is pretty straightforward. I'd suggest you start with stop hunt because that's I've given most of the strategy out. You can just get it, backtest it. I think I've given 95% of everything there is to know when it comes to uh, stop hunt strategy. So try that, my brother. Perfect. I'll watch and learn the strategy. So do you use indicators just like watching the candles? You use indicators? Yeah, I said stop hunt. Yeah, bro. Stop hunt. That's a strategy. Just watch my videos, you'll understand. No, I do have an indicator, which is for the 313, like you see. This is custom made by my best friend. But you don't need it, man. You can just watch the candles, bro. I just have it for just in case if I'm not in the screen, if I'm doing something else, if I went to take a bath, for something like that, I do have the indicator, but you don't need that, man. But I would not recommend you to learn stop hunt, bro. There is a couple of conferences missing. I haven't disclosed yet, so I'm telling this to you. Do not try learning and backtesting stop hunt because it's not going to work. You're going to get hit a lot of times. Uh, the 313 strategy. Sorry, my God, I'm having a brain freeze. 313 strategy. Please do not try it because there are other conferences to it. But stop hunt definitely. Okay. Yeah, as Lizzie says, stop and strategy is the best. Strategy is the best. Yeah, stop hunt works a lot. Most of this came from stop hunts. 313 is very specific, has a very short stop loss to it, has a very low win rate, but the risk to reward is very high, and that's why I keep it in the mix. No, bro, stop hunt doesn't have an indicator. You'll understand, man. Bro, just watch my videos, man. You'll understand. Just watch for stop ones. You can go to the playlist too. I do have a playlist on YouTube. Just watch that, bro. Guys, I'm almost there. I only have 5 more minutes. If you have any questions, you can shoot. I'll be done in 5 minutes. I will be trading though, but my live ends in five. On 3, I'm working to increase the win rate. Sure, bro, Ravi. Guys, I honestly don't care about the win rate for 3 because the risk to reward is very high with that. Even if I have a 10 to 15% win rate, I'm happy with it. If I'm catching a 1 to 30 or a 40 for that matter. So, oh, I'm seeing the playlist. Thank you so much. I'm glad, bro. I'm glad it helps, man. Ephraim, bro, listen, just watch those videos. Try going back to those dates and seeing the trades that I've taken. Okay. It'll give you a much better idea. Apply it in your back testing, bro. Don't just blindly follow it. I'd highly recommend back test the strategy and then try to put it on any account that you're using. Um, Straightforward, man. Look for a pin bar, long tail, small body. I know Lizzie has been he's been testing it live and it's been good for her. I'm very happy that it is. I'm glad that it's working for you, Lizzie. I'm very happy that it is. I'll do the back test and my demo account for sure. Thank you so much. Thank you, bro. I appreciate it, man. If it helps you, man, I'm very happy. That's all I'd ask from you, man. Yeah, Lizzie's girl, bro. Yeah, she is. It's okay, man. I don't think she'll be offended, bro. Yeah, she's a woman. You, girl, woman, come on. All right, boys and girls, it's almost 3 more minutes for me to close this out. So, guys, if you stuck to this long, congrats. I know it wasn't one of the easiest lives so far. Getting hit thrice in a life, poof, it hurt. But understand the process, understand this is what it takes. If you want to do this long time, if you want to do this full time, you got to have these tough days, but keep going. Boys and girls, this is me signing off. If you're new here, welcome. You can you can watch my videos, join me in Discord, ask me any questions if you'd like. Sherry, my brother, I know you stick with me, man. Thank you, bro. Thank you, everyone. You guys can text me in Discord. I'm always there. We will catch up tomorrow. Let's see. I'm not sure what's going to happen here. I don't see a setup for 3 on 3 right now, but let's wait and watch. I'll post on Discord if I get anything else after I get it. So keep in touch, people. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, Ravi. Bye, everyone else. I can't name everyone here, so don't get me wrong. I'll see you guys tomorrow. This is me signing off. Take care. Have a great day, people.